Hey everyone, have you ever seen a photo online and thought, where did this image come from? Or maybe in today's world of AI, you've looked at a picture and wondered, is this real or fake? Well, today I'm going to show you how to reverse search any image on Google to find out where it came from. And we'll use Mr. Beast's photo as an example. Let's get started. First, open google.com in your browser. You'll see a camera icon in the search bar. That's the search by image feature we're going to use. Click on the camera icon and you'll get two options. You can upload an image from your computer or paste an image URL if you found it online. Let's start by uploading an image. I've saved a photo of Mr. Beast on my computer. Click Upload a File, select the Mr. Beast image, and hit Open. Google will instantly start analyzing the image. After a moment, you'll see where else this photo appears online. You can scroll down to see categories like products, pages that include matching images, or visually similar images. If you want to find the exact source, click on Exact Matches. This will show you all the web pages that use the same Mr. Beast photo. Now let's try the second method using an image URL. Suppose you find a Mr. Beast image on a website. Just right-click on it and select Copy Image Address. Go back to Google, click the camera icon again, and this time paste the URL into the search box. Then click Search. Google will show you all the pages where that exact image or similar ones appear. This is great if you want to find out where an image came from or check if it's being reused elsewhere. You can also reverse search any image directly in Chrome. Just right-click on the image and select Search Image with Google Lens. Google Lens will open on the right side of your screen and show similar images, matching pages, and even an About This Image section. The About This Image tab is one of my favorites. It gives quick info like how old the image is, where it first appeared, and which websites are using it. For example, if the Mr. Beast photo shows up on verified sources, you'll know it's real. But if it appears on random AI sites, you might question its authenticity. So whether you're checking if an image is AI-generated, stolen, or just curious where it came from, reverse image search is the easiest way to find out. And that's it. That's how you reverse search any image using Google. Quick, simple, and effective. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.